The Enclose Cell-free dbDNA synthesis kit includes everything needed to enzymatically generate close-ended linear double-stranded DNA containing a sequence of interest. This kit can be used to create high-quality dbDNA for use in downstream applications such as in vitro transcription, lentiviral and adeno-associated virus payloads, and more. First, a sequence of interest is cloned into the provided dbDNA vector. After cloning, tel-RL sites flank the sequence of interest. These sites are crucial for Telend protolumerase activity and dbDNA formation. The sequence of interest residing in the vector now becomes the input plasmid for the dbDNA workflow. A small amount of input plasmid is amplified by Phi29xtDNA polymerase via rolling circle amplification, or RCA. When combined with the provided specific primer mix and dNTPs, the polymerase generates many copies of the input DNA within 3 hours of incubation. The provided forward and reverse primers allow the polymerase to generate linear double-stranded DNA concatemer repeats of the sequence of interest and the vector backbone. Next, Telend protolumerase covalently closes the ends flanking the sequence of interest as well as the remaining backbone of the input plasmid. Telend does this by cleaving its recognition sequence, thereby creating covalently closed ends and forming 2 dbDNA products. One product contains the sequence of interest, and the other contains the remaining plasmid backbone. Adding a restriction enzyme that cuts only within the backbone sequence and not within the sequence of interest, such as XBA1, opens the backbone containing dbDNA. This then allows T5 exonuclease to remove the unwanted sequence while leaving the protected sequence of interest intact. After an overnight incubation, only the desired dbDNA product remains. Finally, a cleanup step using nucleic acid purification kits, such as Monarch nucleic acid purification kits, removes unincorporated dNTPs, primers, and enzymes, and leaves the dbDNA product ready for downstream applications.